Did you know that your sofa cushions might be more lucrative than a savings account in today's economy? Yes, you read that right. While you've been lounging on your couch binge-watching series, unknown to many, a goldmine lies untouched in the world of online retail dropshipping. Imagine turning that comfy couch into a command center for a bustling e-commerce empire. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever stocking an item yourself. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is sent directly to the supplier who then ships it to the customer. You never see or handle the product, which means you don't need a warehouse full of inventory, just a laptop and an adventurous spirit. Now, while it sounds like a straightforward way to wealth, let's not kid ourselves. Dropshipping requires cunning, a dash of daring, and a sprinkle of secret sauce to really spice things up. And that's exactly what we're going to explore. How can you transform from a casual couch potato to a dropshipping dynamo? Read on, and let's explore into the secrets that can supercharge your online store. Imagine walking into a magician's lair, where every drawer, box, and shelf brims with secrets. Each item, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, holds a piece of the puzzle that makes the magic happen. The air is thick with mystery and the promise of the unknown. This is a place where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, where the mundane becomes magical. That's the world of professional dropshippers, a place where the right tools can make or break your success. Just like a magician relies on their props and tricks, a dropshipper depends on their tools and strategies. The desk of a professional dropshipper is a hub of activity, filled with essential resources that streamline their operations and maximize efficiency. It's a dynamic environment where every tool has a purpose, and every action is calculated to achieve the best possible outcome. The first secret weapon? AutoDS, a platform that automates tedious tasks like listing products and handling orders. It's like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps. Imagine the relief of knowing that the repetitive, time-consuming tasks are being handled seamlessly, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. AutoDS ensures that your store runs smoothly, even when you're not around, giving you the freedom to strategize and grow your business. Then there's product research tools like Jungle Scout or Oberlo. These platforms are indispensable for any serious dropshipper. They provide deep insights into market trends, helping you to identify profitable niches and products. With these tools, you can analyze sales data, track competitors, and make informed decisions about what to stock in your store. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the secrets of the market, giving you a competitive edge. These tools help you identify what products are hot, which are not, and everything in between. They're like your e-commerce compass, guiding you through the vast ocean of products to find your treasure. Navigating the e-commerce landscape can be overwhelming, but with the right tools, you can chart a course to success. Whether you're looking for the next big trend or a steady seller, these tools provide the guidance you need to make smart choices. But here's something you might not expect. Sometimes the best products to sell are the least glamorous. Think garlic presses, not glittering gowns. These everyday items may not be flashy, but they fulfill a need, and often have a steady demand. The key is to find products that people use regularly and are willing to buy repeatedly. It's about understanding the market and recognizing that practicality often trumps glamour in the world of e-commerce. But tools alone won't carve your path to dropshipping stardom. You need to wield them with savvy. It's not just about having the right tools, it's about knowing how to use them effectively. Strategic thinking and a keen understanding of the market are essential. You need to be able to analyze data, spot trends, and make decisions that will set you apart from the competition. It's a combination of art and science requiring both creativity and analytical skills. For example, while automation is fantastic, personalization can't be overlooked. AutoDS can handle the grunt work, but adding a personal touch to your customer service can turn one-time buyers into loyal followers. Customers appreciate feeling valued and understood. By taking the time to personalize your interactions, you can build strong relationships and foster loyalty. This can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth, which are invaluable for long-term success. Lastly, let's not forget about analytical tools. Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel provide you with a crystal ball to foresee who's buying, what they're buying, and predict what they might want next. These tools offer deep insights into customer behavior, allowing you to tailor your marketing strategies and product offerings to meet their needs. By understanding your customers better, you can create more targeted campaigns and improve your overall business performance. This kind of insight is invaluable and can be the difference between a flop and a flourishing online store. With the right data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. It's about leveraging technology to gain a deeper understanding of your market and using that knowledge to stay ahead of the competition. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, staying informed and adaptable is key to long-term success. Dropshipping has its Bermuda Triangle where good intentions, money, and time often mysteriously disappear. The three biggest challenges: product selection, supplier reliability, and shipping logistics. Navigating these treacherous waters is crucial for any dropshipper aiming to not just survive, but thrive. Product selection is the first hurdle. It's like picking a winning lottery ticket. What if you choose wrong? Fear not. The key is to test small before diving in deep. Start with a few products, analyze sales data, and scale what works. Remember, every failure is a stepping stone to success. Next up, supplier reliability. A dropshipper's nightmare is a supplier who ships products as slow as molasses or worse, delivers poor quality. The solution? Build strong relationships with multiple suppliers. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify to minimize risk. Finally, shipping logistics. In a world where Amazon offers 2-day shipping, customers' patience is thinner than ever. To compete, you must ensure your shipping times are as short as possible. Consider suppliers closer to your primary market or use e-packet shipping for quicker delivery times. Each of these challenges can capsize your dropshipping ship if not addressed properly. But with the right strategies, they become mere bumps on your road to e-commerce success. Let me tell you about Dropshipping Dave. Dave was an average Joe who stumbled upon dropshipping while searching for ways to pad his wallet without leaving his 9-to-5 grind. His journey wasn't smooth sailing. In fact, it was filled with more twists and turns than a mountain road. Dave started with enthusiasm, picking products he thought would sell like hotcakes. His first choice? Trendy phone cases. However, he soon realized that without proper research, his chosen products were more common than left socks in a dryer. Sales were dismal. But instead of giving up, Dave dug in his heels. He switched gears, investing time in learning market trends and customer behavior. He began using tools like AutoDS and Jungle Scout, which transformed his store from a ghost town to a bustling market. His secret? He didn't just sell products, he sold solutions to problems. Dave also learned the hard way about supplier reliability. After a disastrous experience with delayed shipments, he diversified his supplier list and set up a robust system for handling logistics. His persistence paid off, and his online store began to flourish. Dave's tale is not just a story of success, it's a blueprint for any aspiring dropshipper. It shows that with the right mindset, tools, and strategies, anyone can turn their dropshipping dreams into reality. If you find this AutoDS dropshipping video content useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Keep enjoying your new skills.